Probability example 31C. 6 Russian cosmonauts and 5 American astronauts are vying for 3 positions on the International Space Station. In how many ways can at least one American be selected? So there are at most 3 people, right? That's the maximum. So when we're saying at least one American be selected, we're looking for the minimum of 1 American, and then the maximum would be 3 Americans. Okay? So remember, we're really looking for 1 American, and if there's 1 American, there has to be 2 Russians. Or, well, what would be in the middle of one of the 3? Well, clearly 2 Americans and 1 Russian, or then the maximum would be